Hi, it's me, Jenny again, and today we are going over ClassPass app. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going over ClassPass app because your girl loves fitness classes. I grew up in Toronto, but I've been living in New York for a long time. We're talking like 2 decades, okay? But recently I've been visiting and kind of living in Arizona, and I've been trying a lot of different studios, and I wanted to just share with you how cool ClassPass is. So ClassPass app is actually a credit base, so you purchase a certain amount of credits per month to work out in any studios that they're partners with. And what's so cool about ClassPass is that you don't have to have a gym commitment to any studios, or you could do a lot of workouts that you want to try. I've been mostly using it specifically for classes that I cannot usually afford offhand. So for this video, I will show you how to use ClassPass app. Alright, so this is what ClassPass app looks like. So when you first download this app, you'll be given a free trial or log into the account. So if you have never signed up for ClassPass app, then check out the link down below. It gives you 2 weeks free trial with the link I provided. And in order for you to sign up this app, you do have to log in, put in information like where your location is. And for the sake of this video, let's put Scottsdale, Arizona, and then when you do next, it will ask you to sign up your information, and this is how you get signed. But since I'm already a member, let me log in and show you and walk through the ClassPass app with you. Okay, here I am in my home screen of my account. So as of now, I've been a pretty avid member of ClassPass. I've been doing a lot of classes between Arizona and New York. So yeah, it's pretty filled information over here. I have over 151 reservations here, and then I have 68 saved classes or saved places, so it's quite a bit. So I have been a member, and I use it quite often. So I also have 10 friends, and these 10 friends are friends that I met through ClassPass, so it's really cool. So yeah, this is overall like what the profile looks like, and let's just walk through. Okay, so if you want to purchase additional credits, you can also do that by clicking the middle button, and you don't have to commit to doing more than you want. So there's a lot of flexibility and versatility with using ClassPass because you don't have to really commit to it at all. It's not a gym membership, so you could also pause it. You could also just like cancel it, but after free trial, you'll be charged after 2 weeks. So make sure if you're just doing the trial, make sure to manage your preferences depending on how you want it, but make sure that just checking out all the options. So they also offer a lot of good beauty services as well, but personally I only prefer to use it for fitness from now on. I haven't had really great experiences using beauty as much, and I wouldn't recommend it because everyone's very particular with beauty. I feel like fitness, especially group classes, it's not really personalized, so it's okay. But I feel like when it comes to beauty, it should be a little more specialized. So when it comes to classes, I've been taking all different types of classes, and it also shows you if you're friends with people, then it shows you what your friends are doing, what they're taking. So it's really cool to see them, whether I'm in New York or Arizona. And right now, my latest obsession is Pilates. So I've been doing Pilates, and here we are. We're in the search section, and this is how I actually book classes. Okay, so we have selected Scottsdale for Pilates, and you could see that you could book in advance. Okay, so ClassPass allows up to a week in advance reservation, so you can book it. There's quite a bit of extensive amount of choices to choose from, studios that are really amazing depending on time. So it's really flexible depending on your schedule. Now, just one thing to remember is that ClassPass do require that you cancel the class 12 hours prior to not be penalized. So make sure you cancel classes, and this rule applies even for free trial users. So make sure to pay attention to your hours. So just if you can't make it, just cancel 12 hour in advance. Now, just for the sake of this video, let me just go through showing you this particular studio as an example. It's called Body Alive. And the run through is that you can see, as you see the name of the studio, the rating. So when you see it over here, you can see the reviews, and wow, they have over 1,000 reviews. So it's pretty trustworthy studio, it seems like, has their, you know, social media information and their website and their contact number and the studio bio, so what they stand for and how that is, and their amenities, and you know, the map. So in Arizona, parking is really important because you don't want to be late to class. But in New York, shower is very important because you don't want to be late to work or, you know, be grossed out in a subway or something, right? So if you click on the actual class, it also gives you a class description per class. So it's really good to see like what type of class is for. You could also invite friends. You could also add it on to your calendar as a copy. So it's very versatile. So this is my favorite. Right? The filter is really awesome because depending on what you want to do, it has like whether it's classes type, but like for me, like I said, amenity is very important, whether it's lockers or shower or parking. I want to make sure that this is something that doesn't interfere with my workout because during my workout I just want to focus. So it's been really helpful to have these features and, you know, knowing that it's available. And if you want to do classes with people, then, you know, spots availability is really important. So it's really cool, and I believe this is a new added filter. So if you have 3+ spots available, then you know that your friends could get in for sure. So make sure to check this if you're going to take classes with your friends. So that sums up the review for ClassPass app. Let me know if you liked it. The following video, I will be showing you how I booked my class and the classes that I book in Arizona area. So thumbs up if you found this video to be helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Talk soon. Bye.